like, you know I fuck with you heavy, like, that's not even, and I'm not saying I don't like other people. I don't know,
here. But you say it.
Okay, and I don't say that about many people. So it's not like I don't like the other people here. I just feel like, obviously, naturally, there's been a few people like you, Bella, Giddy. I don't even want to name names, but like, basically, there's been a few people that I felt like, do you know what, when I leave here, I will still definitely want to spend time with them. And I feel like you are like in that zone. I used to be so rude, yeah, honestly speaking, like in my early 20s. And I used sometimes like, I had to, the reason why I stopped was because obviously I knew it was wrong, but like also like I realized that sometimes I'll say stuff to people and it would just change their relationship with me, and I never fucked with it because it's like, the type of person I am, like I let things go. So like maybe I would like vex with someone and then I would expect that to, like not tomorrow, but like maybe in a week.
Like we can be good.
We can be good, and then
but the person can't just.
Do you get what I'm saying? But like I just feel like I feel like you had a lot of time. Like, you know what, yeah, if you vex for me, yeah, so when I was going at Adekune or whatever, and I promise you, yeah, I've got this like negative flaw where like I hate when people are alone. And it's not like I've ever been alone. It's just like if everybody in this house frees you, even with what's happened between us, I'll be the person I'll be on your side.
Right.
So I didn't even know, and this might sound really fucked up, I'm just being honest with you, like, I didn't even really know if Chichi was right or not. I don't even think she was. I knew she wasn't actually, that she went for you guys.
It was like we were ganging up.
Yeah, I've been feeling like she feels like really alone, and I think it's too early for her to like feel like that. And I know it's self-inflicted. Like I'm actually being honest with you, like it's actually her fault. But just like there's just a part of me that's like, nah, man. Like I know you're acting hard, you're acting like you're this stripper, you're a bad bee, you're cold. But I know that this shit is gonna hurt you if you're like fully on your ones. So I kind of just wanted like an even. I'm gonna sleep in the same room as him in the night. I'm gonna have that guy see. Do you know what, man? I just wanted to hold it down for her, like. I know it's a game. A lot of people want to win, and I'm not saying I don't want to win.
Right.
Like I really want to like be here for the whole time and stuff, yeah. But like, I'm not gonna change my morals. I'm not gonna change who I am, and I shouldn't be saying this on live TV. I don't think Nigeria's gonna give it to a privileged child because I just don't think that that's like how it's set up. And this is me keeping it a buck. So I just felt like on this journey, like I'm just gonna keep being myself. So I get why you guys were vexed. Do you understand? So I totally understand why you were vexed. And I would have been vexed, like, babe, I just feel like you violated, man. And I've got too much love for you. I know it's 4 days, yeah, but I'm not cool with it, man. I feel like you had enough time to think it through. Like, you could have sparked and just like, you see, even when I came up to you and everybody was holding me, I'm like, I'm just not gonna disrespect her like that. But I really wanted to look at you. That's actually why I stood up. Like, I wanted to, the only reason I stood up was like, I wanted to look at you like, cause you know that if I'm on the phone to you, yeah, and maybe I'm driving out somewhere, we're having an argument, I can be like, fuck off and cut the phone. If you sat right here, I might not be like, fuck off and walk off. I might be like, okay, I don't want to have this conversation. And I'll probably do it very different because we're face to face. That's actually why I stood up, to see if you would like, still go. And I stood up, I came near you, and you still went. And I feel like, to me, that's why I was like, nah. So, I promise you I will free it, but I probably just need 24 hours, because I'm actually hurt.